Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you how you can optimize your channel professionally so that your channel look like better. Okay, so let me show you one by one. Please still around here to finish the video. Okay, so here you can see I have shared here method number 7, channel optimization. And if you miss the others videos that I have created for you, like part 1, part 2, then you can see in the video description. So here you can see method number 7, channel optimization, is ensure your YouTube channel is well optimized with relevant keywords, an attractive banner, concise description and others. Okay, so how you can write the description, channel keywords and everything. For channel keywords making, channel keywords means when you will be in your YouTube studio, you can see this is a scratch channel, a new channel I will set up here with you professionally. Here you can see, here is the setting. I'll go to the setting, after that click on the channel, then you can see here is the country option. So I'll select the country. Here you can see here is my country, and then I will select the keywords, how you can write the keywords and how you can identify the best keywords. The first keyword will be here your channel name, So I added my channel name here because it will help you to categorize your channel in a specific category. So you need to use your channel name as a first keyword. So now you can identify how you can use your keywords here so that YouTube algorithm can understand what type of content you are creating and what type of content you are providing. This will help you to categorize your channel in a specific audiences. So let me show you how you can identify the best keywords for your channel. So first of all, suppose you are creating your videos in YouTube tricks related. If your video in YouTube tricks and tips related, then here you can see I search here, and after that you can see there are lots of channel are coming. Okay, so first of all you need to open some of the videos, and after that you can see here is the one video. So I'll open this video, and after that I need to see what type of keyword they are using. So for this you need to use a tool called TubeBuddy or vidIQ. So I'll use the TubeBuddy here. Let me integrate it. You need to go to the Chrome Web Store. Here is the Chrome Web Store. Then click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. Then the extension will be downloaded. Just wait a moment here. Now you can see it is downloading. Please wait here. Then you need to add here. Just a moment. It is downloading. It's downloaded. So now I need to go to the YouTube. It will be redirected. So here is the I have created and everything. Continue with Google. Then you can see I need to select my email. Then here you can see continue. Okay, so here is my TubeBuddy dashboard, but I need to go to the YouTube first. So I'll make a refresh here again, and then you can see the option here, sign into TubeBuddy. So I'll click on the sign into TubeBuddy, and I have read, subscribe, sign in with YouTube. Select the email again, continue please. Okay, so now I completed the sign in for TubeBuddy. Now you can see the tag option and everything for a channel. Just a moment, it is adding. Here you can see it is redirected to directly YouTube. So now I will find out the keywords again, YouTube tricks and tips, and you can see here is the video. So I'll open this video. Then you can see here is the right side option and window will be there. Here you can see the tags, and I'll copy these tags. Here is the copy option. So you can see here is the copy, then copy to clipboard. Okay, so now it is the best option to find out the keyword. So I'll add here keyword. Here you can see here are the keywords. So if you want to add those keywords in your channel, then you can use if the keywords are related to your video contents, video topics. But another way you can find out the keywords from your video related, like you can see here is the ChatGPT. You can use the ChatGPT to identify best keywords. Suppose you will tell him, suppose I am creating health related videos. What strategies, what keywords you will suggest for me for my channel? Now you can see he will give you the best keywords for your video. Now here you can see I'll use these keywords for my channel. You need to add here the comma so that you can use them in your channel. Here is the best option. Okay, so this one is an option. Another option is here. You need to find out some bold channel or already popular channel so that you can use them or you can use their names, or you can use their channel name, so that the YouTube algorithm can understand that these big creators are creating this type of content, so this channel will be also creating this type of content, and they will suggest your video, they will suggest your video to the big creators browse feature page, okay, in the suggested page. So how you can find it? Suppose you are creating health related video, health tips related video, suppose. So here you can see lots of channel are there, so you need to add, or you need to open one channel, and after that you can see the name Dr. Eric. So you can use this channel name to your own video or to your own channel as a channel keyword, okay. So you need to use some of the channel name like this, that is related to your channel or that is related to your video. This will help you to show your videos on their channel suggestion. Channel suggestion means, suppose if the audiences look this video, suppose some of the audiences
Today I'm going to show
viewing this video, and they will see your video in the suggestion here, okay. If someone will interested, then they will click on your video, so it will help you to categorize your channel for your another channel audiences, okay. So these are the best tricks and best option. You can add your channel keywords. Now how you can write the channel description, okay. For channel description writing, here are some rules. First, you need to add your channel name to the description, okay. Then describe what services you are providing, then your contact information, then your some hashtags, okay. So here are the best priority. Here you can see I have generated one video description for my channel. Here you can see this is the prompt, but this prompt is not showing the proper guidance. I am copying this again, and after that I have sent here. I have created a channel now. You can see my YouTube channel name is Boostify, so I told you that I will use my channel name in the first line. I have created a channel now. Can you give me the channel description by using some keywords and hashtags according health tips? Now he will generate a better description for you according health tips or your niche related, okay. Here you can see he generated this information for me, and after that I will copy them, and then I will go to the customization, then I will go to the description option, then you can see I added the description. This is the best option. Here you can see the ChatGPT use my channel name in the first line, okay. What is the best option for the channel? Suppose if someone will search here with your channel name, suppose Angerer, now you can see here is the channel. You can see here is the channel. The channel will be shown to them if they will search with your channel name, and if you use the channel name in the first line of first description, okay. So here are the option for channel writing, channel description writing, then you need to publish them. And the second here, channel logo and banner making. What will be the best practices if you make a channel logo and if you make the channel banner? For making the channel logo and banner, for the logo use any of the photos, but rename them with your channel name. So if you created a logo, suppose you are created a logo photo, then you need to rename your photo or logo, that it will be called row like Boostify logo, or like your channel name. Your channel name will be there, then logo. Your rename here like channel name, then logo. Channel name, then logo. You need to remove channel name and add here your own channel name. Suppose your channel name is Boostify, so I'll use Boostify as a rename Boostify logo, okay. And the same thing will be for the banner as well, okay. Now you can see for banner design, use eye-catching design, use short information, try to use solid backgrounds, and also rename the channel name. For example, Boostify banner. You need to use your channel name with banner word, okay. So I already talked with you about the description and everything. So these are the best practices. These are the best practices if you want to do a better result for your channel growth. So you need to focus on this type of information that I have shown to you, and after that you can expect a better result from your videos, okay. So if you want to know about the SEO, like website SEO, then you can use the Boostify tool. Here you can see Boostify. So for the finding the Boostify, just a moment, here is Boostify. This tool will help you to do the manual SEO and also AI SEO for your website. You don't need to do the manual SEO by your own, by your hand. This tool will help you to do the manual SEO and also do the technical on page, off page and everything. I'm using this tool for my website and I have got the result. Okay, this tool is very helpful, so you can use this tool for your website. If you don't have the time to do the manual SEO, then you can depends on it to do the AI SEO. So thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you. Let's see in the next video.